The CEO of Crypto.com put out a tweet today that I need to share with you guys because I think it's very, very significant. As we're seeing this kind of altcoin season start to really heat up, we could see this greater altcoin rally as we've been discussing, and a lot of people are looking for CRO to go a lot higher. Well, the story that I want to talk to you guys about regarding Crypto.com is something that is quite bullish and might not be a surprise to a lot of you guys, but if you want to stay in the know with everything crypto, you can subscribe to this channel because we keep content coming. One thing we've been discussing a lot about Crypto.com is the success they've been having with their roadmap. They have done so much this year to offer more and more to their user base, launching their Crypto.com exchange officially in the US so people can actually start to access lower fees. They've got these crypto baskets. They've got these baskets that can actually mimic the trades of famous investors like Warren Buffett and Nancy Pelosi, who's also a very famous investor as well. And coming up, we've got this stablecoin, which I've made a prediction that I think this stablecoin is going to be coming for Crypto.com very soon. But this story we need to talk about regarding Chris and the CEO. The president's media company bought $2 billion worth of Bitcoin for his treasury. What the heck does this have to do with Crypto.com? Well, I'm going to talk to you guys about it in this video and talk about the price action that I'm looking at for CRO right now. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to this channel for more content. And let's talk a little bit about this story. But first, looking at the crypto markets today, Bitcoin is coming back after a little bit of a slip. Down to 116, 117. We are almost back to 120. It's currently up 1.23% today. And we've had altcoins rallying lately, but now Ethereum's slipping a little bit. And if you take a look at actually what the charts are doing right now, total market cap is breaking out for crypto overall, but Bitcoin dominance is actually starting to show a little flicker of green. Does this mean that the altcoin rally is going to go on a pause as Bitcoin rallies here? Well, it's something we've been talking about, guys, where for CRO, you want Bitcoin dominance to come down so altcoins can rise. You watch Ethereum. Ethereum's been pumping. Ethereum's cooling off a little bit today as Bitcoin is rising. Are we going to see CRO slow down a little bit? Well, we'll talk about the price action for CRO here in a second. But looking at the price action for CRO just right now, it's currently sitting at rank number 31, and it's up 3% for the day, so it's doing pretty well. Now, what the heck does this story have anything to do with Crypto.com? Actually, it has quite a lot to do with Crypto.com. What specifically? Well, looking at the tweet from the CEO of Crypto.com, you'll see they're announcing they're proud to work with the TMTG group. This is the Trump media company on the execution of this Bitcoin purchase. And you might be going, well, what the heck does Crypto.com have to do with the president's media company buying $2 billion worth of Bitcoin for its treasury? Well, Crypto.com is actually the one partnering up with the Trump media group to actually allow them to hold these Bitcoin. They are the ones facilitating the ability for them to have this Bitcoin treasury. And this is a huge partnership that I think a lot of people are forgetting about, and myself actually included. As I saw this Trump media buys $2 billion worth of Bitcoin for its treasury story come out yesterday, I don't know why. I talk about CRO all the time. I didn't even connect the dots. It slipped right over my head, even though I've come out with news about Crypto.com partnering with this group repeatedly and very excited about it. I needed a little reminder from the CEO. Oh yeah, it's Crypto.com that is making this possible for the Trump media group to do this. Now, as other companies out there want to start to have Bitcoin for their treasuries, is there a possibility that Crypto.com could be partnering with other institutions like this? And the answer is absolutely yes. There's a chance that they have a ton more partners coming, just more avenues of success and growth for Crypto.com, the brand. Getting partners like this is a big deal. Of course, if you go over to Chris, the CEO of Crypto.com's X page, you'll see his pinned tweet. It's been here for a while, where decisions shaping the future are made, honor of a lifetime. There's him shaking hands with the president in the Oval Office right when he was beginning his crypto initiatives as he became the president of our country yet again. They are at the table here. They are partnering with the Trump media group to get their treasury going. And I think a lot of people are forgetting this. Now, on top of it, as I mentioned, there's so many great things going on in this roadmap. I think the next natural step, of course, is now that stablecoin regulation is put through, we have got a law signed in, the Genius Act is official. The Crypto.com stablecoin would be coming out soon. Now, I've seen a lot of people starting to get excited about Crypto.com over the last few weeks and the CRO token. Why? Well, I think they understand, like I do, that Crypto.com stablecoin is a significant addition to the extensive portfolio of products that Crypto.com offers to people like you and me and to institutions. They've got their partnerships that are still going wild. They still have yet to launch stock options. They've got Crypto.com stablecoin coming. They've got many more things. We've already seen their Kronos ETF submissions, so they're just continuing to make advancements. Now, what the heck does this have to do with the price action for CRO? Well, I'm going to talk about it. But first, if you guys do want to sign up and do some trading of any kind, you can check out some of the links that we have in the description down below for the affiliates that we currently use as the exchanges for us, Blowfin. You can also check out BitConnect. There's other links. There's cold storage wallets in the links in the description down below. These are just affiliates. These are one way for you guys to find other places to do trading or other crypto products that are out there. We just have them in there for you guys for the things that we like. And so those one way to support the channel. And if you guys want to do some trading, there's a lot of volatility in these markets. And we've been having some volatility for CRO as well, to the upside, fortunately, because Bitcoin dominance has been falling down. And CRO coin's been coming up. We're right now on our third weekly candle in a row. You're getting a little hesitant maybe when you're seeing this green weekly candle possibly forming for Bitcoin dominance. Looking at the fact that we've still got 5 days left on this weekly candle. Anything can happen, guys, over the next 5 days. We did have the Fed speaking earlier this morning, signaling that he's not intending on resigning. We're not really looking at a rate cut here in July, but we could have one coming still in September. There is a chance that it happens in September. And right after September, I personally believe is going to be the best time for altcoins and for crypto overall in this cycle, where we kind of have that blow off top mania. Maybe we don't have a blow off top. Maybe we extend into some kind of longer cycle because of all the big partnerships that are happening, like Crypto.com partnering with the Trump Media Group. And you now see Charles Schwab offering Bitcoin and crypto trading, and Standard Chartered Bank offering Bitcoin and crypto trading. There's so many players getting into this space. But for CRO, you want to see Bitcoin dominance fall so that CRO can continue to rise. There is a level of resistance right here at about 12.5 cents. And if we can break through that, I think our next natural level is like right at this like 18 to 20 cent level, okay? And we could even see a move up to almost 25 cents, as you've seen some kind of wicks up here, and we almost got there before. And we'll probably find some resistance at 25 cents, I would imagine. Unless, of course, Ethereum has a decisive breakthrough, the 4K level. Ethereum is finding resistance right now at this 37.5 level. And guys, yeah, I've had this drawn out. This green line has been here for a while because I thought, we might be finding some resistance right here at 37.5. And we're kind of finding that right now. I think we could break through this level, maybe see a test up to 4,000 for Ethereum. If we can break through that decisively, guys, our altcoin season could continue. We could see Bitcoin dominance continue to fall, and we could see CRO coin continue to rise. This story with Crypto.com partnering Trump Media Group, I think it slipped past a lot of people. It slipped past me, and I talk about crypto every single day. There's a lot going on in this crypto space, and it's a lot to pay attention to. Note that I am not a financial advisor, and I am not here to give financial advice. We're here to report on crypto news as it's breaking, talk about the price action as we see it in our personal opinion, and talk to you guys about, kind of just how we personally are playing the market. And you have to do your own research as always, guys, but the levels that I'm looking at right now for CRO personally are right at this level of like 12 or 13 cents potential resistance. If we can break through, we could continue up to maybe 20 or 25 cents. But the real key is you need Ethereum to keep booming. You need Bitcoin dominance to come down. And I think at some point this year, we are going to have that maybe towards the latter half of the year, but it could be happening right now. Let me know, what are your favorite platforms for trading in the comments down below. Are you doing trading right now, or are you more just holding on to these crypto assets for the long term, looking to maybe hold even into 2026? I'm very curious to hear from you guys in the comment section. So leave your thoughts down below. That's all I got on this one. I'm CryptoKip. This is a Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. DCA HODL. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.